What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Check this out. This is my truck. This is a '04 Silverado. I love this old truck here. The headlights have seen their better days here. So in today's video, I have new headlight housings for the top here and the bottom. And only really the top need to be replaced, but I went ahead and ordered a set of the top lights and the bottom lights. This is your turn signal and your daytime running lights down here. Last night I took the truck out real late to show you guys a comparison of some before and afters, and we'll get to that a little bit later on in the video. But along with the new housings, I went ahead and got some new LED lights to go in the housings as well to see exactly how bright this right here can be. Now, I ordered all of this from a company called Nilight, and I ordered a lot of other golf cart accessories actually go in one of my golf cart builds, and that video is going to be separate from this one. But I ordered like a 6-gang switch panel. I ordered a couple of light pods and other accessories to go on the golf cart, so I can't wait to do that. I can't wait to get to that stage on the golf cart to be able to install it and show it off a little bit for you. But today's video, we're going to remove these lights here, put the new light housings in there with the new LEDs, and see exactly how much brighter it is. Now, if you guys are working on a Silverado like this right here, or a GMC Sierra from like 99 to 07, it's gonna be about the same process, but in ours we have this lever here. We pull it up and we slide it out. I'm gonna hold on to that. Then our light here will come out. Pretty simple. And on the back of the light, we have 2 plugs. We're gonna rotate them to the left. They'll pop out. There's another view here. Rotate it to the left. It pops right out. Now on this lower light here, it pretty much just clips into place. Up here closer towards the grill, it's like a pivoting point where it goes into place there. And you have to pry it out or pop it out from the fender side, and it has like a clip on it. So this may be a little difficult to see from your angle. This is the daytime running light turn signal light down here, park light. It actually clips into place at the front near the grill, kind of just like pivots in there. But there's a release on the fender side of the light. And I have a flat-headed screwdriver here, so we can press that release to pop the light out. There it goes. The light just comes directly out. So here's the bulbs right here. You're gonna press this clip in, which just broke because it's old and brittle. There's one there. There's one there. You're gonna have one down here. You're gonna rotate and pull out as well. Now, as you can see in this light here, even though the outside of the light isn't really messed up, look at the inside where the chrome is starting to turn different colors. Great time to replace these. So this is what the inside of the box looks like once we have it open. They've included some gloves. We got some literature. Our headlights is in both sides there. I believe this is going to be our daytime running lights, park light, turn signal housings in the middle. All right, let's pull them out. Ooh, what do you think? I think that looks pretty good there. Time when removing them. Next we have some like a rubber O-ring. So as you can tell down here, once we get the light here, this like rubber gasket here, we're gonna pull this one off. We're gonna pull it off of all 3 of these. Now in the kit, they include 4 of the black ones and 2 of the gray ones. The black ones are the large ones, gray ones are the small ones. So the black ones are gonna go on these 2 lights here. I'm going to have the small gray one go on this little light right there. It fits just like that. And that one's on there as well. We're just going to repeat the same process here. In this case, we're going to put the light in, turn it to the right. Put that side in first. This side just, that's in. Like I previously mentioned, I also went ahead and splurged for the LED light bulbs to go into the new housings. This is a combo deal, so you got the 9005 and the 9006 LED lights. I want to go ahead and open this up here. That's how they come. This is the entire LED light right there. It's got like a little cooling fan on the back of it right there, as you can see. So in order to tell which LED lights you have this tag here. On the tag it'll say 9005 or 9006. It's pretty easy to tell in here as well. We know this right here light, once we remove it, this tab here, this light here is a 9006, and our high beam light is a 9005. Now if you can see on the socket here, it has an off one way, on the other way, in order to install the lights into the housing. Easy install there. Not sure if you guys can see this or not, but this pigtail right here off of the high beam LED light there, you want to take the pigtail and push it back there in the opening. And it's installed. All right, guys, what do you think? New housings, LED lights, cleaner, crisper, shinier versus those old dull lights over there on the passenger side. This looks a lot better here. So there it is, guys. The light housings are in, the LEDs are in. Very simple install. There's only one problem, and it's 10:30 in the morning, and I can't wait now to try these things out at night. I'll catch you up in just a second. Right now, this is low beams on the inside of my truck. This is high beams on the inside of my truck. This is low beams on the outside of the truck. This is high beams on the outside of the truck. Both of these methods here on the inside and the outside is with the stock old lights. So this is with the aftermarket housings and the LED lights, low beams on inside the truck. And this is what it looks like outside the truck. Next, we're going to cut on the high beams. That's what it looks like on the inside of the truck. This is what it looks like on the outside of the truck. So this right here is what my truck looks like at night, standing on the outside. This is just the low beams right here. This is what the high beams look like at night with my truck. This is what the new LED lights and the new housings look like at nighttime. This is the low beams. This is what the new LED lights along with the new housings look like on the high beams.